In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite anyone to a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're trying to connect with colleagues, clients, or even friends, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure that your meetings run seamlessly and everyone you want can join in, regardless of whether they have a Teams account or not. To start, go to the official Microsoft Teams website. This can easily be found by searching for Microsoft Teams video conferencing in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the page, you'll see various options for chat, collaboration, and meetings. Navigate over to the Sign In button, which you will find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to log in with your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and move to the next phase. After successfully logging in, your Teams dashboard should appear, displaying all your recent activity, chats, and scheduled meetings. Look for the video icon, which is an easy to spot symbol often placed at the top portion of the interface, signifying a new meeting. Clicking this icon initiates the process of setting up your meeting. You'll be presented with a few options, such as scheduling a meeting in advance or starting an impromptu call. Today we're focusing on the spontaneous meetings option. Once you've selected the video meeting option, search for the link labelled Get a Link to Share. This link will be your gateway to inviting anyone, even those not using Microsoft Teams actively. Click on it and a unique URL will be generated specifically for your meeting. This unique link is what your invitees will use to join the meeting, so it's crucial that it's shared with the right individuals. After generating the link, you have a couple of ways to distribute it. You can go the straightforward route of copying the link directly and pasting it into your email, instant messaging apps, or any other communication tool you prefer. Alternatively, you can take advantage of the built-in option to share via email direct from the Teams interface. Select the email option, enter the recipient's addresses, and send the invitation. The invitees will receive a message with the link and instructions on how to join the meeting. Lastly, when you're ready for attendees to join and the preparations are complete, look for the button labelled Start Meeting. Clicking this button will officially begin your Teams meeting session, allowing others to join as they click on the link you provided. Remember, when sending out invitations, clarify the meeting's purpose and time to ensure everyone is on the same page. With these steps, you're now equipped to invite anyone to your Microsoft Teams meeting effortlessly. With a few clicks, you can connect globally, bringing people together no matter how far apart they are.